I rise above the silent skies, every note ignites the night. Through solid winds my sound will fly, a beacon burning bright. No limits can contain my sound. Every word can hear it now. With the flight of my voice, galaxies begin to glow. Every note becomes a spark, like the words I've met to know. In the flight of my voice, stars awaken to my sun. Through the endless cosmic waves, I carry you where I belong. Across the void, my echo streams, breaking barriers, chasing dreams. Every planet, every shore feels the rhythm, asks for more. Higher, further, through the skies, sound expands, it never dies. Every beam, every word carries my voice to a brand new day. In the flight of my voice, the universe begins to hear. Every word can feel the pulse, every sky is alive to clear. In the flight of my voice, I move where I am meant to be. Across the stars, through the endless space, my sound is finally